When I research for unique opportunities in Europe, there's one kind of property that always catches my attention: the classic Italian farmhouse. These traditional homes aren't just walls and roofs, they're a lifestyle. Imagine waking up surrounded by rolling hills and olive trees, enjoying the silence of the countryside, yet still being connected to charming towns full of history and culture. Today, I'm bringing you 7 authentic Italian farmhouses in different regions of the country, with prices starting as low as €50,000 and going up to €98,900. And what makes living in a farmhouse so special? First, the space. You get land, gardens, and the freedom to create your own little paradise. Second, the tranquility. Far from the rush of the city, you get a slower rhythm of life that truly feels like freedom. And third, the connection with nature. Whether it's growing your own vegetables, producing olive oil, or simply enjoying a sunset in total peace, life here feels genuine and fulfilling. On my channel, Expat Home Opportunities, I search for the best places in Europe where you can start over or simply enjoy a better quality of life. So join me as we explore these 7 Italian farmhouses and see why one of them might just be the lifestyle upgrade you've been waiting for. I've arrived in San Casciano dei Bagni, a small gem nestled in the province of Siena, Tuscany. About 1,600–1,700 people live here, around 1,591 according to recent estimates, giving it a quiet, intimate feel. This town is famed for its thermal springs, ancient baths, some free, others in spa resorts, so there's always that tranquil, restorative energy in the air. You'll find gentle rolling hills, historic architecture, local festivals, artisanal shops, and farms producing olive oil, wine, fresh produce, services that make rural life pleasant without sacrificing quality. The property, Apartment Fibo, part of the Borgo del Poggio complex. It's on the first floor, about 48 m², roughly 5 of 16 square feet. It includes a large living room with kitchen, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, shared common spaces, a pool and parking. The apartment was fully renovated in the early 1990s and is in excellent condition, with all the main systems functioning correctly and all essential utilities connected. It comes with a cellar as well. Distances and services. The apartment lies within the municipality of San Casciano dei Bagni, about 6 km from the town center, nestled near the hamlet of Sella sul Rigo. It's an interior hill region setting, so there is no beach nearby. Coast is about 61.7 km away in a straight line. The closest major airport is Perugia San Francesco d'Assisi, approximately 57 to 58 km away. For healthcare, the area is served by the Ospedali Riuniti della Val di Chiana, a hospital in the region. For shopping and basic services, there are several small grocery stores and local shops in San Casciano dei Bagni, offering daily essentials without needing travel to large towns. Price? €98,000, which is about $115,374 and £84,773. If you've ever dreamed of life with fresh air, peaceful mornings, and a place where every sunrise feels like a gift, this probably isn't just an investment. Apartment Fibo delivers that in Tuscany, with history, nature, and comfort all wrapped together. I've come now to Scerni, a peaceful town of about 3,300 residents in the province of Chieti, Abruzzo. Sitting amid olive groves and rolling coastal hills in the Medio Vastis area, Scerni is the kind of place where rural tradition meets the calm rhythm of slower living. You'll find a weekly market, several local restaurants serving Abruzzo specialties, grocery stores, convenience shops, and a few larger supermarkets to cover all daily needs. For family recreation, there are green communal areas, nearby parks, and outdoor gathering spots, perfect for relaxing afternoons or weekend barbecues. What I'm showing you is a fully restored farmhouse with about 151 m² of living space, spread over 2 main floors plus an attic. It features 2 double bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a generous terrace of 33 m² with sea views, and a garage of 26 m². On the ground floor, there's a living room with fireplace, open-plan kitchen and dining area, plus a bathroom. Upstairs, those double bedrooms and terrace. Above that, an attic. Outside, the house sits in a plot of agricultural land of 7,500 m², complete with garden, terrace, and a useful outbuilding. Basic utilities are all in place: water, electricity, heating with radiators, with the option to connect to either a thermo chimney or natural gas if desired. The farmhouse is just 5 minutes from the center of Scerni by car. Very close also to a bus stop and the local Agricultural Technical Institute. The Adriatic seacoast is about 20 minutes away. The nearest airport is Pescara Airport, roughly 1 hour's drive. In terms of medical care, the area is served by health clinics and smaller medical centers in Scerni itself, and larger hospitals in nearby Vasto and Chieti. Price: €85,000, approximately $100,017, and about £73,528. Owning a farmhouse like this in Scerni means stepping into a lifestyle where tradition and comfort go hand in hand. I've reached Sellano, a tranquil mountain town in the province of Perugia, Umbria. With about 1,000 to 1,100 inhabitants, roughly 148 as of December 2019, spread across 85.7 km2 of hill and woodland terrain, it feels like stepping into a quieter rhythm of life. The town is officially one of I Borghi più belli d'Italia, one of Italy's most beautiful villages. Known for its ancient stone architecture, narrow winding streets, lush surroundings, and authentic rural culture. This property is part of a fully restored farmhouse located in Località Vio. It spans 3 floors. The ground floor includes storage areas, a wine cellar, and a garage. On the first floor, a living room with an open kitchen, kitchenette style, a terrace, and a bathroom. Second floor, 2 bedrooms and another bathroom. Additionally, there's a stone barn of about 100 m2 that holds the potential to be converted into a separate apartment, plus about 2,700 m2 of land used as a yard garden area. The farmhouse offers around 250 m2 of usable living space in total, with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and outbuildings included. The location is serene, perched on a hill, offering privacy and views over the surrounding Umbrian landscape. The coast is about 77.7 km away in a straight line, so access to seaside requires some travel. A ski resort lies 19.7 km from the property for those who love mountain winter activities. The nearest major airport is Perugia San Francesco d'Assisi International Airport, approximately 41 to 70 km driving distance depending on route. For healthcare, the most comprehensive hospital services are found in Perugia, especially at Santa Maria della Misericordia Hospital, which offers emergency care and various specialities. Everyday convenience is covered in the nearest town centers. You'll find small grocery shops, local markets, cafes, artisan food producers, and basic services in Sellano itself and nearby hamlets. Price: €70,000, roughly $82,367, and about £60,554. For €70,000, you can own a property in the heart of Umbria, surrounded by nature and history. It's an invitation to slow down and reconnect with a simpler, richer way of living. I'm exploring Casalanguida, a small hill town in the province of Chieti, Abruzzo, perched at about 470 meters above sea level. The population is quite small, around 800 to 900 people according to the latest Istat figures, 812 in 2023. Casalanguida is framed by olive groves and rolling hills, steeped in agricultural traditions with a peaceful pace of life. It's surrounded by picturesque countryside and local historical features. Churches, old towers, fountains that give character to daily life. The property itself is a completely habitable farmhouse with generous space. The living area is about 176 m2, with a separate storage of 70 tonelage in Imputu. It has 3 bedrooms upstairs and 1 bathroom, plus ground floor kitchen and living room and an attic. There's a garden of 4,500 m2 with its own well, plus a large garage or storage building right next to the main house. The energy class is G, meaning there may be some work to do for efficiency. But everything essential, electricity, water, municipal sewage, is already connected. Distance and services. The coastline of the Adriatic Sea is only about 25 km away. The nearest airport is Pescara Airport, Aeroporto d'Abruzzo, roughly 80 km by road. A ski resort is also about 84 km distant, for when you crave snow and mountain air. In terms of healthcare, the closest major hospital is in Pescara, such as the Pescara Hospital Unit on Via Fonte Romana, which offers emergency and full hospital services. For shopping and daily essentials, while Casalanguida is very small, there are local shops, perhaps a single supermarket or small groceries, and basic services. Price: €69,000, about $81,162, and approximately £59,689. With generous living space and views of Abruzzo's rolling hills, it's an ideal home for anyone who dreams of a peaceful life in the Italian countryside without compromising on comfort. I've been exploring Loiano, a small town in Emilia-Romagna, in the metropolitan city of Bologna. It has about 4,300–4,500 inhabitants spread over 5241 at 714 meters elevation in the Tusco-Emilian Apennines. Life here normally blends peaceful mountain air, local festivals, and small-town charm. There's an astronomical observatory, and the town is connected by road to major cities like Bologna, about 34 km, and Florence, about 73 km. This property, sitting in the old village of Canova, just a few steps from Roncastaldo and Loiano, is a rustic house. The dwelling covers about 70 km2 of living area with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a basement wine cellar, a small kitchen, and a living room with a wood-burning stove and fireplace on the ground floor. Upstairs, there's a bedroom with a balcony and the bathroom. The roof and insulation were renovated in 2006. Also included is a 2-story stone outbuilding of about 30 km2, plus a courtyard that surrounds part of the property. The land parcel is approximately 690 m2, and there's a terrace of about 6 m2. Distances and services. The closest airport is Bologna-Guglielmo Marconi Airport, located roughly 31 km from Loiano. For healthcare, Loiano has Ospedale Simiani, which offers first aid, outpatient services, and other health services. For shops and daily amenities, Loiano has grocery stores, small markets, cafes, artisan outlets. For a larger supermarket or more varied shopping, one would travel to Bologna City. Family-friendly outdoor recreation includes hiking, forest walks, and enjoying the views of the Apennine landscapes. Price: €65,000, approximately $76,457, and about £56,222. This property in Loiano is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come around often. For €65,000, you can have your own farmhouse in Emilia-Romagna, a region famous for its food and cultural heritage. I'm off now in Alvito, a hill town in the Frosinone province of the Lazio region. It has about 2,500 to 3,100 residents, latest estimates around 2,526, over 52–53 km2 of mountainous and hilly terrain at an altitude of about 475 meters. Life in Alvito is marked by its views over the Camino Valley, local festivals, small shops, a close-knit community, cafes, and easy access to hiking trails. Cultural heritage includes medieval architecture and the beauty of the surrounding natural parks. This listing presents a partially restored country complex in Pescio, a hamlet of Alvito, roughly halfway between the castle and the town center. The property includes a 2-story apartment with stone wine cellars and a garage, 2 ruined structures each with its own private garden, plus an additional land area with yet another garden. Total living area is about 420 m2, with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, private gardens, a garage, and a bodega. It offers substantial flexibility. You get space for your own plots, guest accommodation, or perhaps multiple rental units. About distances and services. Alvito does not lie immediately on the sea. Nearest coastline requires some driving. The closest full-service hospital facility is the Presidio Sanitario Alvito for primary care and smaller medical needs. The nearest major airports include Pescara Airport, Rome Ciampino, and Rome Fiumicino. In town, everyday necessities are covered by local stores, small supermarkets, cafes. Outdoor recreation is part of daily life. Nature walks, valley views, exploring medieval stone streets. Price: €59,000, roughly $69,393, about £51,032. This is your opportunity to shape a spacious property into the Italian retreat you've always imagined, while staying connected to towns and services that make daily life easy. I've been in Navelli, a small village in the province of L'Aquila, Abruzzo, with around 550 to 570 residents over 42 km2 territory. It sits at 760 meters elevation above sea level. Navelli is part of I Borghi più belli d'Italia, known for narrow stone alleys, old noble palaces, historic portals, local stone architecture, and a strong cultural identity rooted in saffron and chickpeas production. The property is an old rustic house made of local stone, in the historic center, ready to move in with some work. It features a large living dining room with a huge fireplace, have 2 tiny rooms used as kitchen and storage, plus 2 bedrooms, one a walk-through to the other, and 1 bathroom. Upstairs, there's another bedroom, a second bathroom, and a panoramic terrace of about 16 m². A 35 m² storage adds charm. Total living area is 150 m² with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The furniture includes noble wood items and stone portals. Navelli lies about 50 minutes from both the Adriatic coast and 45 minutes from the city of Pescara, which also hosts Pescara-Abruzzo International Airport. For health services, there's the Guardia Medica, ASL01 in Navelli for primary medical care. More comprehensive hospital services are in L'Aquila or Pescara. Everyday needs, groceries, a pharmacy, cafes, restaurants, post office are all present locally. The community hosts food festivals, markets that celebrate saffron, chickpeas, lentils, and other local products. There are bed and breakfasts, artisan shops, and tranquil spaces to walk and soak in heritage. Price: €50,000, approximately $58,807, and about £43,247. This is the perfect entry point for anyone who wants a genuine Italian home without stretching their budget. So, that's a wrap on our tour of these 7 Italian farmhouses. Each one has its own personality, its own story, and maybe even the chance to become the fresh start you've been dreaming about. If you'd like more details on any of the properties, you'll find all the links and contact information right down in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Expat Home Opportunities. That way, you'll be the first to see the most exciting real estate finds across Europe. Perfect for anyone ready to step into a new lifestyle. I'd also love to hear from you. Which of these farmhouses spoke to you the most, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm always curious to see what catches your eye and how you imagine your life in a place like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.